If you have an account under Forex with this link, you will get the facilities of verifying the account with just an ID card, the facilities of trading in Islamic account, the facilities of trading in lowest spread account, and also you can verify your account with just an ID card and you can participate in any contest. So create your account right now by Forex with this link. And here have 100% deposit bonus. So create your account by Forex with this link and grab your bonus. Everyone wants to work in a good broker house. There are many who want to do everything according to Islamic rules. Even they want to trade in a Islamic way and they want to get swap-free account facilities. And for this, one of the best option is FBS Broker. FBS is one of the most award-winning broker in present time where you can get the facilities of verifying the account with just an ID card and you can verify the account instantly. Also, the benefit of Islamic account as well as the opportunity to get 100% deposit bonus. So why you wasting your time? Obviously, remember this, if you want to get these facilities, you have to create your account by Forex with this link. I am saying again, you have to create your account by Forex with this link if you want to get this huge benefit. So in this video, I will show you how you can create a swap-free account here from Forex with this link and the advantage of this account and also some conditions. So hello viewers, I am an official member of Forex BD. I hope you all are well. The main topic of today's video is how to do an Islamic account here. It's very easy to do Islamic account here because it doesn't take much to do Islamic account here. Only by sending a request you can do Islamic account. So how to send a request? First, you have to open an account here under Forex with this link. Then you have to verify that account. So how to open an account and how to verify it, if you watch this video, you will easily understand how to verify your account with just an ID card and without any hassle. And you will get the verification instantly if you watch this video and if you follow this process. In the case of doing an account here, the big advantage is that you can verify your whole account with just an ID card. You can verify the account with any type of document like an ID card, passport or driving license. No bank statement or copy of electricity bill is required. So you can get verification with just one document and also instantly. So don't miss this opportunity. Another important thing is that you have to take a picture of your document clearly. This means that many times when we take a picture of our document, unfortunately it seems blurry so that we can't get verification. So of course, when you take a picture of your document, take a clear picture, then submit it for verification. Then you will get instantly verification. After verification, you need to send an email to FBS Broker for Islamic account. And in that email, you have to make a request for Islamic account. That means swap-free account. And that email is support@fbs.com. Here you just send a request that you want to convert your account to a swap-free account or Islamic account. And of course, send a request from the email that you used to create an account in this broker. And at the same time, you have to give two pieces of information. First, you have to email the document with which you verified the account. I say again, you have to email the document with which you verified the account. That means during verification, you submitted a document. So you have to attach that document to your email. Then you have to enter the account number of the account that you want to make swap free. That means which trading ID you want to make swap free. Then within 24 hours you will get swap free account. So you have to send a request via mail and you have to attach two information. First is your document and the another one is which account you want to make swap free account. Maybe it seemed difficult. Maybe you thought it was easy on other broker, but here is little bit difficult. Don't worry, we are making it easier. In addition to email, you can also do this by going to live chat. For example, first upload the document in live support. That means you don't have to send email. Go to live support and submit your document that you used during verification. Then take a screenshot of the trading ID that you want to make swap free and mark it by Photoshop or editing. Then submit this in live chat. Then you will say that you want to make this account account swap free. By this process, you can also do your account swap free. Just first you submit your document, then you will submit a screenshot of that account you want to make swap free. So if you make a request in live chat, they will make your account swap free, and within 24 hours you will get a confirmation mail, and from then everything in your account will be in accordance with Islamic rules and regulations. Swap free means without interest. Swap means interest, so which is strictly forbidden in Islam. So Islamic account don't have this issue, so you can do forex trading with 100% interest free. Normal account and swap free account almost the same, so there have no much different. So it's better to use a swap free account. However, it's a personal matter. If you want to have an Islamic account, you can do it just like we did. Send a request and write you want to make your account swap free. If you have any problem writing in English, then you can follow us. You can send a request in exactly the same way as we are writing. So within 24 hours your account will be under Islamic account. It doesn't take 24 hours, but it's the maximum time. But it's done instantly. So as soon as you get Islamic account, you will be informed by reply mail. This is how you can easily do this. I hope you understand this issue clearly and there is no problem in this matter. This process is very broker to broker. In some broker you have to do a request by logging client area. In some broker you have to send a request, and in some broker you just go to live chat. So there is no much different. You can do everything easily if you follow our video, because all the process are very simple. You can do this just by following the video. It don't take long, and there are some issues that we are highlighting. Before that, I would like to say those who don't subscribe our Forex PD, if you want to get more interesting video, subscribe and click the bell icon for never miss any update, because your one subscribe can inspire us a lot. So let's see the rest of video. The Islamic account facility is not provided in the crypto trading ID. I am saying again, the Islamic account facilities is not provided in the crypto trading ID in this broker. You will find everything else except this. You can do Islamic account during account opening, or if you already have an account in this broker, and if you are doing trade, then you can also do Islamic account. Just send a request as we have shown. From then your account will be converted to Islamic account. There will be no problem. If you want, you can take this advantage. Another thing to keep in mind is that since it's a popular and regulated broker and expert traders are trading here, so if you want, you can do copy trading in this broker. Surely you understand the meaning of copy trading is. This is to follow a expert trader. Those who are not able to make a profit by doing real trading, or who have an investment but don't want to learn forex, they can invest in copy trading, and you can follow any expert trader and you can take profit. We will suggest this broker specially because it's a very good broker. We have already given a video on this topic. You can see how you can do copy trading in this broker. If you want, you can do copy trading here, and if you want, you can do Islamic account and you can do own trading. So here you are getting all benefit. So why you are waiting for? Right now, create your account in this broker. If you don't do trade, you can do copy trading by investing little bit money. So this is today's video. And last thing I want to say that no matter where you have an account, don't forget to use Forex with this link when you have an account at a broker house or payment gateway. This will allow you get quickly verification, your balance will be secure at all time, you will be able to participate in any type of contest, and there will be various bonus for you. So to get this benefit, immediately create an account under Forex with this link. This video is just for you so that you can make a good profit from Forex. So if you want to see this type of video, don't forget to like and comment on this video. So don't forget to like and comment.